Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add bot music on Discord. So playing music on Discord can elevate your server experience and make it more engaging and fun for you and your friends. So how to do it? It's very simple. First of all, you can open your Discord and then maybe you can create the server first. If you don't know how to create server on Discord, I've shown you before in my previous video. You can check it how to create server on Discord. Now, for example, this server, I will add bot to the server. Before you add the bot, you can create channel for the bot, text channel. You can choose the tag, send message, image, give emojis like this. Music, for example, we'll name it music. And also for the voice channel, you can choose on voice. You can select the channel type to voice. We'll create music, create channel. So you have created the channel. You can go to Google to search for the bot. Okay. Now you can search like this. Jockey music. You can see at the top of your searching, you can select on jockey music. You can select on invite. You can select all of this like this. Jockey music Discord, and you can just wait, and this will allow the developer of Jockey Music to add bot to your server, create comments, and you can add to the server that you just create. For example, this one, music. Select on continue, authorize. You can confirm that you are human, and you can go to your music channel. So you have add the bot to your channel. If you want to know how to use it, you can check the comment. This is the basic command. If you want to play a track, you can type M like this, play a track by link or search term. Like for example, like this. I will go to music channel. Like this. I want to play Creep by Radiohead. Now you can send this command. Okay, but before that, you can enter it. You can enter it again like this. And now you can see so you have add this bot to your channel. You can listening music along with your friends on this server. It's very simple, right? If you want to stop this bot playing the music, you can go to your tag server and leave. So the bot will be leave from your voice channel. It's very simple, right? So that is how to add music brought to your Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.